What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Polygon Matic. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we had this massive sell-off and we have to have a bounce to retrace this movement from the very beginning to the very end. And my main assumption was that we have to hit at least $1.64 price point. It is a 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, or even $1.79. It is a Fibonacci level of 0.382. And as you can see, we hit first level and roll over to the downside and hit lower price targets. And technically, it is a very good movement because we have everything in line with our forecast, and we almost finished or already finished the entire wave from this top to this bottom. And in my technical analysis, I will show you several concerns, and also I will show you extremely bullish pattern on this price chart. So let's continue with the fundamental news. And let's start with the total market cap for entire crypto market. For now, we are sitting at $1.65 trillion of total market cap. It is a 1.07% decrease over the last day. And as you can see, major cryptocurrencies are in red, and only Bitcoin has some gains of 1.68%. Ethereum lost about 2.5%, and BNB lost also about 2.5%. And on a 7 days period, these assets are deeply in red. They are double digits in red. Bitcoin lost $14.35, Ethereum lost 25%, and BNB lost about 23%. So we have to be extremely cautious with this harsh movement. And let's continue with the Polygon numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $10.93 billion. It is lower for about 3.17%. And the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $2.28 billion, with a huge increase of 65.69%. And let me show you that right after we had this bounce from its lowest point, the volume was significantly higher than it was previously, and this means this trend from this bottom to this top might have a continuation, and definitely it is a very good bullish sign. So what was the reason of recent sell-off? We are on CNN business, and definitely the crypto market has a huge correlation with the traditional markets. And let me show you that US stocks opened in red as investors worried about the Federal Reserve's plans to hike interest rates, tensions in Ukraine, earnings season, and of course inflation. And on top of this news, on top of the bearish sentiment on these traditional markets, we have the news that I covered previously, that in Russia, in my native country, we will ban the crypto. And I have to say that this news was extremely bearish on one hand, because for now Russia is on the third place right after the United States and Kazakhstan, if we compare the mining capacities of these countries. And definitely the ban on crypto in Russia will drastically impact the price of all the cryptocurrencies in a negative manner. So, and let me show you that Polygon is still very good technical asset. Polygon is an Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution, and it's currently down for 50.76% from its all-time high that was established on December 27th. And Polygon saw a tremendous amount of growth and adoption over the course of 2021 because its compatibility with Ethereum and low transaction costs made it a destination for users and protocols that were looking for a way to remain on the Ethereum network and avoid the high cost of transactions. And here is the chart, total number of Matic wallets over time, and as you can see, huge increase in this number. The network is capable of hosting all manner of decentralized applications, including lending protocols like AAVE, decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, or gaming and non-fungible token projects like Aggregating. With the capabilities and the final date for the rollout of ETH2 still unknown, Layer 2 solutions like Polygon are likely to continue to see increased engagement as users seek lower fee transactions. And definitely, Polygon has very strong fundamentals to continue its growth, but first of all, we have to stay in line with the technical movements of this asset. Because if we won't have enough confirmation from the technical standpoint, I have to say that the majority of traders won't enter their position to put their money into this asset. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you that we have the C wave, and it was formed from this top, or maybe from this one, to this bottom. And we have to have 5-wave structure in this movement to the downside. And if the top is right here, and on this exchange we have this as our highest point, it is, as you can see right here, $2.45. Next one is right here, $2.449. And definitely depending on the exchange, we might have this as our top of the B wave, or this might be the top of the B wave. And depending on the exchange, you can count the last leg either from this point as our first, second, third, fourth and fifth wave. Or we can count this as a 5 waves, but if we will have this as our top on some exchanges, this will be on a greater scale first wave, second, this entire movement to the downside will be the third one. For now we have more opportunities to hit some higher targets to retracement, to hit the fourth wave on a slightly bigger scale, and then we will have one more leg to the downside in order to complete the entire wave. And that is the main concern. But let me show you good news. And if I switch to RSI indicator, right here on a 4 hours time frame, we have higher lows on RSI, and let me mark it for you, with the lower lows on the price action. And it is a very good bullish pattern, and it is a bullish divergence. And this divergence shows us that we have to have at least a bounce, we have to have a trend reversal. And definitely we might have one more leg to the downside in order to make this divergence even more powerful. And in this case we will have triple bottom that has consistently lower lows one after another, and triple bottoms right here that has higher lows, consistently higher lows, and this pattern will be even more powerful to have a next bounce to the upside, to have a trend reversal. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? For now, if you are risky enough, you can add your position at this very price, but you have to keep in mind that if we will go lower, your downside potential will be about 11%. And in this case, we will have next leg to the downside to form potentially next wave of the bullish divergence. And from somewhere from this range, from about $1.1 or even $1, it is a huge psychological range. From this point, we might have a trend reversal. And that's why we have to be cautious. And if you want to invest in this asset and you have to have more confirmation to enter your position, in my opinion, just patiently wait, because let me zoom out on a daily time frame. Because on a greater scale, we have to retrace the entire wave, as I already mentioned in my previous video, from the mid of July till the end of December 2021. And for now, we don't have enough confirmation of the length of this movement in order to unload this entire structure. That's why we have to be cautious with our long-term position, but still the range of about $1 is a very good range from which we might have a trend reversal. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!